Hey guys, I just got my Pixel 6a, so I thought I may as well do an unboxing. So let me show you the box that it comes in. Here it is. It's got these pull tabs right over here to make it easy to open. And here it is. So in the box is this charging cable, this adapter from Type C to Type B USB, and here is the SIM card piece, and let's see if there's anything inside of here, and it looks like some instructions on how to use the phone. Turn it over here. So over here we have this paper cover to show you what these buttons are. So you got power, volume control. The fingerprint sensor is on screen as opposed to my current Pixel 3a, which it has a dedicated button in the back, so we'll see if I like that or not. It's got the Type-C port on the bottom, and it's got the SIM card spot on the side. So here it is. So I'm going to go set it up now. First I'm going to put it in a case and I'll set it up and we'll walk through. But let's just turn it on for now so we can see the welcome screen. Make sure power's on, right? See the front camera right over there built into the screen. The Pixel 3a had it like on the outskirts. On the top it had the camera hole and it had the speaker above. So here you got the full screen top to bottom. There's no speaker or anything else except for that one hole for the camera. And that fingerprint is like hidden right over there. Okay, welcome to Pixel. So we'll just click the get started. And now is the time to insert the SIM card and just walks you through the steps. So I'm gonna go set it up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll try to answer your questions. Have a great day.